Hello to one and all, myself Pallavi Tripathi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am again with our topic of cell biology only, that is the cell cycle and cell division. Very important topic. In one video I will let you know about mitosis. In the another video I will let you know about meiosis, as well as I will also let you know the difference between the two. है ना, very important topic. Uh, from a competitive point of view. So yes, of course, what the cell cycle is, it is a sequence of event by which the cell duplicates. And why it is necessary, we all know that the growth and reproduction of all organism is entirely dependent on the division as well as the enlargement of cell only. So two main phases, this cell cycle can be divided into two main phases. One is the M phase, that is the mitosis, and prior to this interphase occurs, है ना. So what is particularly the interphase? You can just say na, this is the time by which cell prepare for division, है ना. Cell here prepare for division, whatever the thing required for the division, all the things are synthesized here. This interphase can further be divided into G1, S, G2, है ना, as well as the G naught also. I will also let you know about the G naught. So first of all, I'm going to let you know about the G1. So this mark the end of M, है ना, and start of the DNA replication. If I just draw the how this event particularly occur, what are the sequence, है ना, you will be able to know. This is the S phase, this portion is mitosis, and this is the G2, here the G naught, this one is the G1 phase, है ना. So you can just see here G1. G1 is particularly you can say the name gap 1 period, है ना. This is mark the end of M and the start of DNA replication. It means it mark the end start of the S phase, because this is only the phase where the DNA replication takes place. As you all know, what basically happened, this S stands for the synthesis period. So each chromosome replicates to produce the sister chromatids, है ना, and here the DNA replication actually takes place. Once DNA replication is complete, what will happen, the cell will enter into the G2 phase, and this is particularly known as gap 2 phase. And here the initiation of M, है ना, just after this there will be initiation of M. So you can just say all the machinery responsible for division, है ना, such as central and all the things will be synthesized here. So what are the length of each cycle? Each of the these G1, S and G2 are of different durations, है ना. So this G1, you can say 95% of cell cycle is present in interphase, and M takes about only 1 hour, G1 takes almost 11 hour, G2 4 hour, S takes 8 hour, and M already just I have told 1 hour, है ना. So that is the thing. Now we are going to just see the different stages of mitosis. But before that, I will let you know about G naught phase also. G naught. So this is also known as quiescent or senescent state, है ना. Most cell in our body are present in this particular stage. So what basically happens here? Here the you can say that this represent the na reversible resting state, है ना. Reversible resting state means the cell is not dead, है ना. It is in resting state at this particular state in G1, although there is no division taking place, but the cell is metabolically active, है ना, not dividing but metabolically active, not dead. So that is the thing, reversible resting state, it can reverse back, है ना. So that is the thing. Let me give you an example related with this G naught. Suppose if your height stop growing after certain age, है ना, certain length, your height stop growing. Why is it so? Because it is because of these differentiated है ना cell only. So that is the thing. G naught, you can just take an example of skeletal cell, nerve cell है ना, they are well known example. They just example of G naught phase. So mitosis, we are going to just see the mitosis. The cell growth and protein production stop at this stage. Some haploid and diploid cell, yes, in both of them, haploid as well as diploid, this division can take place. This produces two new cell, है ना, two cells is formed in the end. Whereas when I will let you know about meiosis, you will observe formation of a four cell, है ना. So that is the thing. Haploid as well as diploid, both of them can carry out the mitosis. This is also known as equatorial division because the chromosome number is not at all reduced to half as that in meiosis. So that is the thing. It is usually observed in the vegetative cell. So first stage is prophase. So what basically happened here? Here are the sequence of event, है ना. So you will observe in prophase, when you will just see this particular stage under a microscope. So you will observe the chromatin, है ना. So chromatin fibers are just tightly coiled. You will be able to see under a high power microscope. So at this particular stage, nucleoli disappear, है ना, and then mitotic spindle start forming. Centrosome move away from each other. That is the thing. Then in the metaphase, what basically happened? This is the particular stage at which we are able to study the morphologically, means you can study the chromosome properly. You can just see the things, है ना. Chromatin at this stage are condensed to form the chromosome, and chromosome, they are aligned at somewhat equatorial plate, है ना. So that is the thing. That plate is also known as metaphasic plate. Now the centrosome are now at opposite end of the cell. I will show you in the diagram only. So this, that is the thing. Centromere, है ना, lie at the metaphasic plate. For each chromosome, the kinetochore of the sister chromatid are attached to kinetochore microtubule, है ना. I will show you in the image only. Then comes the anaphase. So this is particularly the shortest, है ना, lasting only for a few minutes. It begins when two sister chromatid of each pair suddenly apart. What basically happened? They just pull apart, है ना, and they just move to the two opposite poles. Then comes the telophase. So once in the anaphase, they just move apart to the they just align to the two different pole. After that, there is a formation of a cell membrane, है ना. So that is the thing. Then comes the cytokinesis. Now it's a time for cytokinesis. Cytokinesis vary in plant as well as the animal cell. In plant cell, cell plate formation is observed, है ना. Let me tell you, cell plate formation means, as you all know, that in the plant there is a cell wall. So always the division starts from the center towards the periphery, है ना, away from the center. You can say centrifugal. Whereas in animal cell, what basically happen? There is no outer cell wall. So the the separation or the cell wall formation starts from the periphery to the towards the center. So that is the centripetal, है ना. This is important from a competitive point of exam point of view. They used to ask in CSIR, so you must be very clear how the cytokinesis take place in plant cell as well as the animal cell. You can just see here by the means of images whatever the different stages we just have discussed. You can see here prophase, how the chromatin are present, है ना, in coiled form. Then the pro metaphase means the alignment. You can just see how the this black one represent the microtubule, है ना, how they just are, means alignment. You can just see the chromatin condensed to form the chromosome. Chromosomes are uh, although clearly visible in the metaphase, but in the pro metaphase also the condensation you can just see. Then in the metaphase they align at equidistant from the center and at a particular equatorial plate. Then the anaphase, again you can just see spindle fibers pull apart and how they just move to the two different pole, है ना. This is the thing. Then in the telophase, cell membrane formation, and in the cytokinesis, cell wall formation takes place. So in the this second figure, you can just see the kinetochore attachment, how the kinetochore is just attached to these chromosome, and how the different terminologies, monotelic, है ना, amphitelic from both of the side. If the kinetochore is means microtubule attachment, you can just see the how the microtubule attached to the kinetochore from the both of the side. In that case, amphitelic term is used. Then the merotelic, you can just see how the two joining from one side. Then the syntelic, you can just see. So this much for today in mitosis. In another video I will let you know about meiosis. Thank you for watching.